How to change your birthday on LinkedIn. With this pretty new update, you can easily change your birthday on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your LinkedIn homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. On this interface, proceed to tap on View Profile. This will drop you to an interface like this. Make sure to tap on this edit icon. Then continue to scroll down until you locate Contact Info. Under Contact Info, tap on Edit Contact Info. On this interface, scroll down a bit, you could see birthday. Then you have the flexibility to edit your birthday here. You can change it to any month that you want to select, and then you can also change the day that you want to choose. After that, you then proceed to tap on Set. That's it. You have successfully changed your birthday on LinkedIn. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.